Hi everyone, it's Bob from WW1 Models. Welcome back to the channel, and this is the final reveal of the get this right, the SE5A by Monogram. According to the box, it's boxed by Revel and is in fact an Aurora kit from way back in the day. If you watched last night, you'll know that I had an absolute bit of a nightmare thing going on with the build, but I've managed to resolve everything, and we've got everything done, and it's finished, and it's over there. So here we go. It's yeah, I'm really pleased with this, and you know, as I've said before, this is the first biplane I've ever built, certainly as I can remember, and certainly the first biplane that I've ever rigged as well. So this has been an absolutely brilliant experience. I'd like to thank Mark and Carl for letting me do this as part of the group build. It's yeah, it's I think I could have done a lot of things differently. Obviously, this was just the first biplane, so you know I'm learning everything out of this build, but I'm really quite pleased with it. So thanks, chaps, for letting me join in the group build. I'm going to put some still pictures on at the end of this, and I hope everybody likes it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.